Okay?
Yay!
On. Okay. Just want to show you guys a quick way to cut links on a chain. You take a vise grip. It has a little pincher blade in there. Now, you open it up enough, little at a time, but if you can't find your other tools, you clamp, tighten, clamp, like a quarter turn at a time. Takes a little while, actually works really well. Okay, that's one side. See that? Now we're going to do the other. Loosen it up so it's not real hard and clamp. It makes a little indentation. Clamp. I'm going like maybe not even a quarter turn tighter every time. It does get harder as you go. Next one is going to pop.